Where have we seen the biggest inflows, and where is appetite for gold investment the strongest right now? Is it in physical gold? Is it in ETFs? Or is it in gold stocks where the safety appears to lie?
Right. So I would compare the ETF and the investment grade gold are almost in par in terms of the demand this year. So we're looking at the same figures on the demand side for both physical and the ETF. The ETFs are all-time high in terms of holdings, about 4,000 tons. But we do see, as I mentioned, we do see very, very strong demand for physical gold. And I'd like to mention that because the demand for physical year on year in the first quarter was down 7%. But bear in mind that most countries, clients couldn't get gold. I mean, even for us as a bullion dealer, it was hard to get the material. So if you look at the figures and you say that most of the world was under lockdown, but still we saw very good demand in Asia and in Europe, then you can understand that whoever could have bought gold in the first part of the year bought it and put their hands on it. So what I believe we'll see continued inflow into the ETFs, like we saw strong inflows in this first half of the year, but we will see increased demand to the physical. I think people understand, investors understand, the value of gold, especially these days, and they also understand the value of holding the physical, and rather than having the derivatives, whether they're ETFs or future contract and so on.
What about silver? You say that's underpriced. How much upside is there?
Listen, in terms of silver, if you compare to 2011, we're almost a bit over a third of the price we had in 2011, 2012. So for sure, there's upside. If you look at the traditional gold to silver ratio, usually we stand around the 60 gold to silver ratio in terms of pricing. We stand on 100 now, and in April we're 125. So from this perspective, silver is definitely undervalued, and there's a lot of upside. I will put a disclaimer there. Don't forget, silver has some industrial uses as well. So unlike gold, which is getting affected by the economy, the macroeconomics, silver, the lockdown and the loss of industrial activity does affect the demand. So I would say there's a lot of upside there, but it won't be as quick. It won't be achieve itself as quickly as gold.